As the documenter, your job will be to fill out the service acknowledgement form. All items marked with a red asterisk must be filled out. And while it may be easy to fill out this document, it's a critical piece of information for us to determine the progress you've made as a team, and it also lets us know if anyone in the neighborhood was in need of a bedside smoke alarm. Start by introducing yourself to the resident. Then ask for some basic information, their name and their address. Once you have that written down, begin the at-home assessment. Ask how many people live in the house. How many of those individuals are 17 and under? How many of them are 65 and over? Do any of them have a disability? Are any of them veterans or military members? How many pre-existing smoke alarms does the house already have? How many of those pre-existing alarms are working? Finally, is a bedside alarm needed for people who are deaf or hard of hearing? When the installer and educator have finished their jobs, record how many new smoke alarms were installed, how many bedside alarms were installed, and whether the resident created a fire escape plan, reviewed the home fire safety checklist, and learned about a local hazard. Then the resident must acknowledge that the team indeed installed new smoke alarms by printing their name, signing the document, and adding the date. You, the documenter, also need to sign and print the date to validate the document. If the client wishes to provide additional contact information for further follow-up, record their phone number and email. Once the document is completely filled out, ask the resident if they have any questions, and thank them. Make sure your team is all ready before you go on to the next home.